Hello and welcome again. Here is a beautiful site I create that can generate images by just typing it any text prompt of your choice. Now here is how it goes. If you put in a text prompt here, for example, a doctor attending to a patient in the hospital, and then you choose the kind of file you want to generate, whether it's Web3, JPEG or PNG. The height, the width, you specify it and you click generate, and there you go. Now you see the image have been generated. The doctor attending to patient, beautiful HD quality image that you can use to do anything you want for free without paying anything. Now you can delete the image, you can download it, or you can share it. And also the text prompt that you use in generating that image is at the bottom for you, for your guide in case of another time. Now you can explore it and see these are beautiful images that have been created by the site also. And also you can go over to your gallery to see the images that have been generated over time. Go here and say my gallery. Now here are the images that you generated before that are in your gallery. As you can see, wonderful images. You can also download the images from here. You can delete it and you can also share it, and you can also see the text prompt which you use. Even though it's not today you downloaded it, you can see the text prompt here. Beautiful realistic image. All right, so if I want to build this kind of site for a client, what I would do is that I'm going to make it in a way that before you can able to generate an image, you need to have credit. And so make it by when somebody sign in, they have free credit that they can use for some time to generate image, and then after they will need to buy credit. And I'll make my credit buying cheap, so that when you want to buy the credits, you can with just $2 or maybe $5 or $2 or $1, if I say, you can get a lot of credit that you can use to generate images. Make it cheap so that people can patronize it. Then with time you raise it. And I can tell you what, as people begin to come in with 1, 2, 300 persons, 1,000 people begin to use your site, you see that you start making money every day because people want to buy credit. Millions of people are looking for where to use to something to use online to generate images, because content creators are waking up, are rising up every day, and you have a lot of options to use from. If you make your own chip, if you make your own quality, you can be assured that people will be using this site. And as your traffic begin to grow also, you see that Google, you can monetize your traffic to Google and other sites that are buying traffic. So you can also partner with some other brands that are doing the same thing with you, and thereby making it to put their link there, so that when they click that link, it will take them to a particular place where if they purchase anything or do anything, you also get paid. So you see, it's a win-win situation. You're making money in every way you turn to. You just be at home, passive income, money coming to your account every day. People buy credit every day as they use the site, as they use it. You just be getting the alert, and that is when you log into your account, you see that a lot of money has come in without you doing anything. So this is how people do. You can have a passive site like this that can really make you money every day and every week and every month. The good news is that I'll be giving this source code free to 100 people. The first 100 person that will go to comment and say, I need the source code, will get this source code free. Please leave me a message and I'll give you the source code that you can use. Full code. You can customize it and use it to do anything that you want. All right. So just to say a thank you for all your support, for watching and for subscribing and for liking and for everything you have done as a fan to me. I'm grateful. Thank you again and see you next time.